if I told you that 500 of history's most successful people all shared the same secrets to wealth and success? Published during the Great Depression, Napoleon Hill's Think and Grow Rich reveals that wealth is never about luck, it's about cultivatable traits and skills that anyone can learn. The first key principle is burning desire. This isn't a mere wish but an all-consuming obsession. It's the starting point for all achievement, the engine that will propel you through any obstacle. Thomas Edison's burning desire for a perfected light bulb saw him through thousands of failures. His obsession wasn't just a feeling, it was channeled into a definite purpose. This is the second step. You must transform your desire into a concrete goal. Don't just hope to be rich. Define the exact amount of money you want, set a firm deadline, and determine what you'll give in return: your time, ideas, and focused effort. Next, create a clear plan and take the first step immediately. A good plan you start now is better than a perfect plan for later. Finally, fuse this desire with your subconscious. Write a clear statement, the amount of money, the deadline, and what you'll give in return. Read this statement aloud twice daily, once in the morning and once at night. As you read, see and feel yourself already in possession of the money. This ritual of autosuggestion programs your mind to find opportunities and guide you to your goal. The second key principle is unwavering faith and self-confidence. You can only achieve success if it's based on self-confidence and unwavering faith in yourself. Autosuggestion involves influencing yourself by thinking specific and purposeful thoughts. By repeatedly conveying positive commands to your subconscious, you build unshakable self-belief. Your subconscious then steers all thoughts and actions toward making your goals reality. The third key principle is specialized knowledge and imagination. Many believe that knowledge is power, but that's only a half-truth. Knowledge becomes true power only when organized into definite plans of action and directed to a specific end. The story of Henry Ford perfectly illustrates this. Despite his limited formal schooling, he built a global empire. When challenged in court and called ignorant, Ford famously retorted that he could summon experts on any subject within minutes. He understood that it wasn't necessary to hold all knowledge in his own mind. The true key was knowing where to find specialized knowledge when he needed it. This is the crucial distinction. General knowledge, no matter how vast, is of little use in accumulating wealth. It's specialized knowledge, applied with purpose and persistence, that truly matters. So, how do you acquire this vital, specialized knowledge? The path of a successful person is one of continuous learning. Your education doesn't end when you leave school, it truly begins. Dedicate yourself to mastering your chosen field. This can be through universities but also through online courses, practical experience, and mentorship. The most powerful method, however, is to surround yourself with a mastermind group. This is a coordinated alliance of individuals who work together in a spirit of harmony for a common purpose. By cultivating this network of experts, you gain access to their specialized knowledge, experience, and influence, creating a collective intelligence that far surpasses what any single individual could achieve alone. With this knowledge, your imagination becomes the workshop where it is shaped into plans and given life. There are two forms of imagination. First, synthetic imagination. Through this faculty, you rearrange old concepts, ideas, or plans into new combinations. Is the faculty used by most inventors, taking existing components and creating something new, just as Sony's engineers adapted a press dictaphone into the revolutionary Walkman? It works with the material of experience and observation. Then there is creative imagination. This is the faculty through which hunches and inspirations are received. It is the source of all new and basic ideas. Both forms must be exercised constantly. Your imaginative faculty will become weak through inactivity. Treat it like a muscle in your body. The more you use it, the stronger and more responsive it becomes, transforming your definite purpose into tangible reality. The fourth key principle is self-awareness and emotional control. Self-awareness is an important building block for professional success, helping you understand your strengths and weaknesses. This requires thorough and honest self-analysis using a checklist of questions. Then compare it with somebody else's objective evaluation from a trusted individual. Feed your subconscious positive inputs, and avoid negative influences like doomsaying windbags. Increase all positive impulses like enthusiasm and love to develop a positive mentality long-term. The fifth key principle is determination and persistence. Analysis of hundreds of self-made millionaires reveals a shared trait. They make decisions promptly and change them slowly. They understand that indecision is the enemy of progress, a thief that steals time, energy, and opportunity. While others are paralyzed by the fear of making the wrong choice, the truly successful commit to a path and pour their energy into making it the right one. This isn't recklessness, it's the courage to act on your own judgment and stand firmly behind it. Henry Ford's legendary determination is a masterclass in this principle. When he resolved to produce his famous V8 motor, his own engineers insisted it was impossible to cast an 8-cylinder engine block in one piece. Ford's simple reply was, "Produce it anyway." For months they toiled and failed, but Ford's resolve was absolute. He demanded persistence, and eventually, the secret was discovered. This same steadfastness defined his approach to the Model T. His so-called stubbornness was in reality an unwavering belief in his decision, proving that determination can bulldoze through any obstacle. This level of determination requires a fortress. You must protect your definite chief aim from the world. The majority of people who fail are easily influenced by the opinions of others. They allow newspapers and gossiping neighbors to do their thinking for them. If you talk about your dreams, be prepared for a chorus of, "It can't be done." Therefore, keep your own counsel. Confide only in your mastermind group, a hand-picked team in complete harmony with your purpose who will offer support, not skepticism. Cultivating this power is a fourfold process. First, you must possess a definite purpose, a concrete goal backed by a burning desire for its fulfillment. Second, you must have a definite plan expressed in continuous action. Third, your mind must be closed tightly against all negative and discouraging influences, including the well-intentioned but often misguided suggestions of friends and relatives. And finally, you must form an alliance with one or more persons who will encourage you to follow through with both your plan and your purpose. This is the bedrock of persistence, the foundation upon which fortunes are built. The sixth key principle is the power of a brain trust. The bigger the goal, the more you'll depend on the creative, intellectual, and moral support of others. A brain trust is a union of like-minded people focused on a common goal with a synergistic effect. When people combine their skills, talents, knowledge, experiences, and relationships, the results exceed the sum of parts. This surplus allows for achievements impossible to accomplish alone. Think and Grow Rich proves that wealth and achievement are never accidental. They're the result of cultivated traits and deliberate actions that anyone can learn and acquire. By embracing burning desire, unwavering faith, continuous learning, creative imagination, self-awareness, determination, and strategic collaboration, you can realize any ambition and achieve the success you desire. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe for more content about money and success mindset, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload.